Jotelo mago ma Kenya Kwanza owacho ni gin kod geno ni do mamalo mogik dhi miyo gi loch mane giyudo e yiero. Moses Wetangula owacho ni gin gi kore mar chako tich kendo gidhi tang'o ne jo-Kenya kako winjo ta sirkal e yo makare ma onge gwandruok. Gavana ma Bungoma Ken Lusaka bendo medo ni sani en sach chopo singo mane jotelo keto ne jopiny e yor kelo dongruok e gwenge. Ne giwuoyo e yik Peter Serai ma en wuod jasiasa machon Elijah Mwangale e kaunti ma Bungoma.
Kanisa na wenye matanga.
But watu wa Bungoma, we are praying for Senator Moses Masika Wetangula ili akuwe speaker wa Kenya. Kulingana na katiba, ukiwa speaker wa National Assembly, you are the third in command. After the president, you come to the deputy president. From the deputy president, you go to the speaker. Mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula, wewe ukiwa speaker, you will be the undisputable kingpin of the people of Western region.
Our team has no history of betraying people. Sai tunaomba tu wa Kenya tuwe watulivu. Walitupeleka kotini, koti imetusikiza, uamuzi ni Jumatatu. Only a day away. All observers, Americans, African Union led by Jakaya Kikwete, President Koroma of Sierra Leone, everybody said this was an example of how to carry out an election. From October mwaka huu, tutakuwa tumefanya supplementary. Barabara ya Misimu Brigidia itakuwa inaendelea tuimaliza haraka iwezekanavyo. Kiwanda Nzoia tunatenga pesa kuleta a brand new mill in Nzoia to revive our economy.